Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while since the last video. There is going to be a running video hopefully uploaded over this weekend New Zealand time, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different and just show you what I've been working on my control system. So I decided to build a purpose-built control panel. It's going to be a few. I want to also add a DCC Concepts voltage and amp meter down there too. So, but here we have it. It's just a stained wooden box, and we have my DCS 210 Plus unit, which I've had for some time, and just a recent purchase I ordered from the States at a really cheap price is this UR90X, which I believe has replaced the UR93. So I didn't spend the extra money for the duplex unit, having a small shelf layout and just a single operator. I figured the IR wireless control would do me for now. So anyway, so that's what I've done here. So I've mounted this, and I'll just pause this briefly and I'll show you the insides. Alright, I've just disconnected the power lead. The only one negative thing about these Digitrax systems is I wish the power connector from the 5 amp controller was rear mount, and that way in this configuration I could just put a nice little discreet hole in the back, because they tend to get knocked and the connection's not all that fantastic. But apart from that, everything else I love about the Digitrax product. So I've just cut another hole in the front fascia, and I've tidied up this one. A little bit more sanding to do, and I'll just probably paint that a brown, an umber colour. That's just been tacked into place so it doesn't move around. So this unit is connected by a low connect cable. I found the original short one I had with the kit. The IR module and fascia oh, it's beeping at me here. Anyway, it has its own separate power supply, so I've just got that running through there, and just on my wall here it just comes with that power supply. It comes with the American plug, so I had to spend $5 on a little adapter. So, and out the side of the box, these twisted pair is the track feed, which just goes up and clips onto my bus. I do also have, sorry if we zoom in here, those two cables to the far left, the red and the black there, for your program track. Those two there are the track power. So I also have this little lead here, which I'm going to probably make a nicer lead with some black flecks in time to come, but at the moment, yeah, it's just going to the side of the box, and that way I can just clip it onto a piece of track for a programming track. Yeah, so there's additional space for more componentry if I want. Just gonna tuck that up, and it just, sorry, a bit hard to do this and hold. That low connect cable's quite springy. Right, there we go. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, so I'll just hold this in place. So I'm just going to get a nice decorative screw in the center, so that can be fixed closed, and then you just undo the screw to open it up. But I don't think, for some reason, it's not going to stay. So, but anyway, that's the control system there, and which means there's the handheld control. Forgive the screen, it needs a bit of a wipe with some screen cleaner. Is now wireless. When you're setting it up to recognize particular locomotives, you still need the curly cord, which you just plug into. There we go. See, I've got it plugged in to the other RJ12 there. The one next to it is the IR sensor. So now, yeah, so now it's wireless, and on my next video I will probably just prove it's wireless and show you, just give you a shot of me using it, controlling a locomotive with nothing but its lanyard. Alright guys, next video I should just finish, just tidy up these wires a bit and secure the front fascia. Yeah, it's not very flexible, this Loconet cable, so I think that is what is making it spring out. Alright, sorry for the bad videoing, but yeah, until next time, keep following, subscribe, like and share, and we'll come back and we'll show you more of the layouts. Bye for now.